Boom, 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 boom! Hey, and welcome back to the channel with your guy right here, the Hideman 101. Guys, just want to let you know, I got a quick update coming right here, right now. I just want to push it out so you all and everyone else knows and aware. Every single year, it's getting close to that time of year. No, not just Christmas. I'm talking about November. Yes, or otherwise known in sporting terms as Movember. It's been going around for quite a little time now, quite some time. It's an old enough tradition now, where usually men who don't usually have beards or have beards actually shave their beards off for the month and actually start growing back their beards, or I should say mustache, because it's all about your that's why Movember. Shave off your mustache and regrow it all from fresh, to start doing that, all in aid of charity, all in aid of a very good worthy cause, and that is for prostate cancer. It is a great way to raise awareness for prostate cancer, raise some funding. Of course, I'm doing it. I'm going to be doing it as soon as November 1st comes around. You guys see me, I got the extra mile, so I'm going to have no mustache. The whole beard will be gone. It's going to be total and utter baby face for that month. Let's go see how it goes. And it's all for charity, guys. I've signed up already with the Movember Foundation. This is my 3rd year doing it. It's for a good worthy cause. Male testicular cancer. So it's always a big thing. You know, testicular cancer as well is also a very big number of deaths caused by testicular cancer and from the pancreas as well. So let's go out, guys. Let's save some lives. Let's try to help save some lives and prevent and raise awareness of this cancer, because it is deadly, it's harmful, and you all know about it. It's something else that means quite a lot to my heart as well. That you want to try and stay healthy, you want to try and stay fit, and you want to make sure everything is good and clear. And it just encourages you to check and make sure everything's fine, and if not, seek GPs. But it's all, as I said, fantastic cause, fantastic opportunity. So of course we're going to start leaving from now on. From now on until all the way through November as well. I'm going to start leaving my fundraising page, my Movember link, in the bio below. It means a lot, guys and girls, to actually get some funding in. Let's get some fundraising together. If you could donate, no matter how much, it could be 50p, it could be £1, if you're generous, £5, £10, whatever. But anything's good, anything's great. Let's say the money don't go towards me, it all goes towards finding a cure for testicular cancer and raising awareness on beating this thing. So it means a lot, guys and girls. The links are in the bio below. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and then you'll see more of me, Easy Babyface Hider, in the next coming few videos. Till then, I'll see you all, and peace out.